10 yards, you total have 12 sticks in the message ring. Now we are cutting the ring. Here, and make a slip stick into the first stick where you mark at the first hand. Slip stick. We have total 12 sticks. Triple crochet in the same stick. 1, 2, 3, chain 3, and make one more triple crochet in the same stick here. And at the end of row 2, you're gonna make one more stick here in the first stick of the row 1 to make sure that we have total 24 stick. And make a slip stick to close the row 2 and tighten it. The row 3, we chain 2, we make single crochet in the first stick, and the next one will increase one more, 2 triple crochet in the same stick. The next one, keep the same, one stick. One will increase. So the same, one stick will skip the same, and the next one will increase. Total stick we have at the end of round 2 and the end 36. One stick will keep the same, not increase, and next one will increase more because we will make a circle around cozy. One whistle you can count. One meter for chain 3. And make 2 double crochet in the first stick. last increase in the net 2, you increase in the fourth chain. It means you make 2 the same stick, not increase, and the next one will be increase. Last increase, no increase, and increase 1 in the same stick. No increase, no increase, and increase. Increase, no, no, and increase, no, no, and increase, and continue to be close around 4. Tighten, knit around 5, 1, 2, 3, and keep the same, no increase, knit 2 stitches. Repeat 3 stitches, the same, no increase, and at the 4th we increase. Now pattern, no increase, no increase, no increase, and increase 1 more in the same stick. Continue to make it again. Miss the rough right. Make a slip step. To continue, final round, bounce it. Chain 1, 2, 3, and increase 1 in the first stick. And now increase in the next 4 stick. It means we make one double crochet in the 4th stick and 2 double crochet in the next one. Keep the 4. Is increasing 1, 2, 3, 4, and increase. Okay. Next, no increase in the 4th stick. Increase 1 more, the next one, the 5th step. No increase, no, increase, increase, set, we're gonna add a different color to the row 7. And row 7, we're gonna make a single crochet and to attack a different color. You make sure to insert to the first stick. Here, here, and use a different color. Put one on the knot and pull through to make the slip stick. Yeah. And then we starting the two yarn at the back, and then we chain one. Okay, and make single crochet into the every stick. We keep the yarn at the back in this way, and this will stick with the yarn 7. Continue to make a single crochet into every stick. And cut yarn and continue to finish the round 7. And see you at the end. Also, 7 with the slip step. Tighten it. So this is the same color, so to see different color. So